everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing something kind of weird. It's an ear camera. It is by Earpick, and this is what it looks like. I've actually had people asking me to do this on my channel before, but it wasn't something that I was really like one of my top to-do list videos, but I think it's actually something cool to have, especially if you have kids. You know how they're always sticking stuff in your ear? That way, like, if they did get something, have an earache or something, you can kind of figure out what's wrong with them, or just for fun. So this is a wireless visual ear pick. This is the manual, and this is how it comes. This is very interesting. That is so cool. Okay, so it comes with a charger, like a USB cord. So these are ear spoons. That's what they're called. This is the camera lens. This is the ear pick body. This is the open cover to use. So it's the cap. USB port, and down here is an indicator light when it's plugged in. Okay, I'm gonna put this on just so I don't mess up the camera right now. Okay, so it says that the camera automatically turns on when the lid is open. So I'm going to put one of these I don't know if I want to do the ear scope yet. I'm probably just gonna do this piece right here. It doesn't even say what this one is. This piece, let me see. Okay, this is 3-layer spray earmuffs. That's what it's called. I wonder why you need an earmuff. I don't know. So that's what it is. So let's go ahead and start out by using one of these ear spoons, I'm assuming. So I'm just going to open it. I'm going to get one out. I'm just going to get just like a regular utensil kind of spoon looking one that's kind of like this. Some of them have holes in the middle, and it tells you which each one is. This one is just a 3-layer spray adult ear spoon. There's 2 of these. There's a child spoon, and then there's 3-layer spray 360 ear spoon. Okay, I see them. Okay, I think this may be the child one that I got. I need a bigger one. Yeah, I got a children one. Oops. I like how they have these little containers that you can actually put them in so that you can keep them like in good shape. Okay, so I just slipped it on top like that. I need to figure out how to connect this to my phone. So on the user manual, it'll have a scan code. So you just scan that by clicking on your camera. Then it'll pop up on the screen and you just press download. Then you go to your Wi-Fi and you will see what it says on the manual pop up. And then you click on that and then it downloads. You just put in the password, and as you can see, the camera's working. So you don't need internet or anything. You just need at least phone internet. And then I'm putting on the little ear scraper right now. And I'm going to actually give you a better video because I'm recording this off my phone, so it's not that great. So I'm going to cut this and then go to a new one. And as you can see, it just said to like update it, which I did. Okay, so this is the inside of my ear, which my ears are actually really clean. I was really surprised. That's my eardrum back there. I don't know what that red spot in my ear though. It looks like almost like a blood vessel broke or something. But yeah, my ears actually aren't that bad. So I'm going back in one more time. It's crazy how hairy the inside of your ear is though. But yeah, I guess I clean my ears pretty well. I've been trying to let my husband let me do his ears, but he's not letting it happen. That completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.